guys, happy Thursday. Welcome back. If you're new here, hey, my name is Jency. I'm on a journey to become debt free. I've seen a lot of new subscribers, so welcome. I appreciate your love and your support. We're getting closer and closer for our little watch time hour. I am thankful and blessed today that I have 122, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, to catch off my saving challenge, which goes towards my debt. And you guys stay tuned for tomorrow because I have a bonus video. From now on, I'll be making videos on Mondays and Friday. I'm so excited. So we're gonna put a new challenge, guys. This one for 150 from Easy Budgets. Also, if you haven't checked my description, please do so, guys. I finally opened a coffee shop, which will be there open for you guys, so you can download the freebies. Any tips are welcome, which will be used towards my debt. But I'm excited to share with you guys as many saving challenge as I can. I'm trying to work that website, okay, so bear with me. So yeah, but let's go ahead and count, you guys. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness, I cannot believe it's almost Friday. Wow, time flies so quick, you guys, like extremely quick. Okay, so let's count and see how much we actually have, right? Ooh, should I do a thumbnail like this? Let me do a thumbnail. All right, hold on. Thumbnail. Okay, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70. Yes, Dylan. 80, 90, 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Yes, so 122. Yay. Awesome sauce. All right. I hope you guys are doing great. Let me know you guys doing anything fun this weekend. I'm actually just working. So I've been working nonstop. I've been having maybe like morning off or afternoon off because we are short-staffed, and like always, it never fails. Dylan is calling me. Dylan, if you're new, Dylan is my youngest. He's 3, guys. He's 3. He'll be 4 this year. Yes, Dylan. Okay, Dylan, hold on. He just woke up. He wants his stuff very fast. He wants room service ASAP. He's like, mommy. Like, I want it now. It's so funny, right? How like our kids can be like us, and also at the same time, like your husband, it's bananas. He has a little bit of both. All right, we're gonna go ahead and do the $15. We're gonna try to do the biggest number so we can finish this faster. So $15 on that one. I'm excited. Awesome. You guys, there is so many cute saving challenges coming up, and I'm just like, wow, I really want them, but you know, I can't have them. Yeah. So I'm gonna try my best to finish my little saving challenge for, you know, for my happy mail fun. All right, we're gonna go ahead and do the yellow bowl, which is $3. Yellow bowl. We have 1, 2, 3. It's so early in the morning, you guys. I'm about to get ready for work. Hubby made me some coffee, and we well, not we, he bought some bread and conchas. No, not conchas, cuernitos. It's called horns in Spanish, and oh my gosh, it's so good. They're so kind of like a croissant. Yeah, I believe it's like a croissant style. You guys, croissant style bread is so good with coffee. Oh my goodness. And like right now, my stomach is having like a little argument with each other because they're so hungry. Like, yeah, they're hungry. Well, not that I have like a little stomach, like my, you know what I'm talking about. My intestines are hungry. Oh my goodness, what am I talking about, you guys? It's too early. All right, let's go ahead and do this one. How much is this? $13. I wonder how much this one will save me. I'm sure it's gonna be a lot of dollars, a lot of money. So this one is 13 bucks. So 10, 11, 12, 13. I might have to condense that $20, you guys, because look, I don't have any more money. I don't have any more money, honey. Okay. All right, let's do this one. Oh, I'm excited. I'm getting closer. Look, I have only a few left, so that's not bad. Okay, awesome. Oops. All right, awesome. $5. Okay. So, like I was saying, I will be making video Friday and Monday, and I'm excited for that new video because I'll be able to save money faster, if that makes sense. Because, you know, the ones from here, it takes me a while to save. Actually, guys, should I do a 40 on it? No, let me just add a 20. That's 200 already. Let me just do a 20. That's okay. So everyone can get a little bit of love. Because I know I need to pay Alex, but I still have quite some time. So let me condense that. Can I condense this? No, I cannot. Okay. I want to change that. Let's see. Where can I condense that from? Trying to think, you guys. Hold on. Do I even have any money to condense? I don't even think so, you guys. No good. Okay, well, I guess I'm just gonna add it here. Oh, well, so it's gonna be 20. So 10 and 20. Okay, that's fine. That would do the do. All right. So 5, 10, 15, and 20. Okay, that's okay. We're getting closer, and closer, the better. Okay, I was not expecting to do that, but you know, it is what it is. You gotta do what you gotta do. So we have 50, 60, 75. 75 on that one. Guys, I don't know why my binder doesn't stay, so I need to find something to help me, like, you know. Okay. Anyways, we have $6 for that one. So let's see. 5 and 6. Let's see if we can do another one. 5 and 6. So 1, 2. Yay. So 1 and 2. Oh my goodness, you guys. We're going to need 2 more. We're going to complete that. Yeah, we're definitely going to complete it when we stuff this binder next time. Oh, yes, we are. Yes, we are. I cannot wait to see how much money I'm going to throw on my debt for next time, for the next month update. I'll be honest with you, this month I have not been able to do a lot of saving challenges, like complete them as much. So yeah, there is that. We have $8 for my birthday. No, actually, let me skip my birthday. Let me skip birthday. Let me for sure add 5 to Dylan because they need money. Okay, 5 to Dylan and 5 to Eric because they need that money. Okay, there we go. And then, ooh, okay. Then we have 1, 2, I think, I don't know, not that much, but still, let's see. Let's see, what can we stuff? That's $10. Should we do it? I know I have $10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, there you go. There's 10 on that. I don't know why my envelopes are so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think they're like that because I condensed the binder, you guys, so they're not heavy, so they're not holding on. They're not holding on to each other. Okay, we got that going in there. Awesome. Let's see, what else can we stuff? Oh, my stomach is growling. It's early in the morning. All right, let's see how much money we have from here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So $4. We're gonna do the one for $4. Okay, guys. We're gonna do one for $4. If there's one, nope, there's not one. Oh no. Okay, just kidding. That's not good. That's not good. Okay, I don't want to have an IOU, guys. So, bye-bye. Bye-bye, binder. All right, see you next time. You know what that means? That means that I'm going to do this right here. Yes, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, $4. So $4 is gonna go in here. All right. You know I don't like IOUs, so yeah. Okay, so here's one. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, perfect. All right. Look at that. That worked out perfect. All right, let's see how much money we save next time, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Appreciate you. You guys are amazing. You're doing amazing. I watch everyone. There's some times that I don't comment on some of y'all's video, but I promise I am watching and listening on my way to work, while break, or when work is slow. Trust me, I am watching, I'm listening, okay? All right, guys, thank you so much for the support, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Adios.